fucking boy. He's as important as goddamn Cora is to my wolf dog pups. I named him everything. He does not have fuck over my life. Slipknot found it. He has eyeballs this camera into another fucking reality. Daniel Hatcher was teaching it how to move. I'm not married to Daniel Hatcher! Never have been! Get it off of me! Holy shit. Just get his fucking ass off of me. Get his fucking ass off of me, or we're gonna be dead! I do not want to marry that boy! Daniel's whole line fucks over women and fucking females. They kill them and part them out! Why did you bring it back to me? Obviously it was never gone. Get it away from me.